Caravan 333 Lima Delta, Fort Pierce Tower.
I've got a serious situation here. My pilot has gone incoherent. I have no idea how to fly the airplane, but I'm scanning at 9100.
Number 333 Lima Delta, Roger. What's your position?
I have no idea. I can see the coast of Florida in front of me, and I have no idea.
Number 333 Lima Delta, do you know how to operate the transponder? Can you squawk 7700?
Stand by, let me see. Repeat that frequency to squawk.
Number 333 Lima Delta, if able, input 7700 into your transponder.
Got it, 7000, yes.
November 3 Lima Delta, can you say again what the situation is?
Pilot is incoherent.
Number 3 Lima Delta, that came in a little broken. What was the situation with the pilot?
He is incoherent. He is out.
Number 3 Lima Delta, Roger. Try to hold the wings level and see if you can start descending for me. Push forward on the controls and descend at a very slow rate.
Yeah, I'm descending right now at 550 feet a minute, passing 8640.
Number 33 Lima Delta, Roger, and continue the descent and try to level off at 5,000 feet.
For what heading do I need to be at? Give me a compass heading because I have no controls. All my electronics went when we went in the roll.
November 3 Lima Delta, maintain wings level and just try to follow the coast, either north or southbound. We're trying to locate you.
10-4, passing 8600.
Number 3 Lima Delta, if able, hit the ident button on the transponder.
Which one is it?
Number 3 Lima Delta on the transponder, if there's a button that says ident, hit the ident button for me.
I what?
Ident, I-N-D-E-N-T.
I'm looking for it, I can't find it.
Number 3 Lima Delta, if able, I have a frequency for you to put into your radio. It's 132.15, 132.15. That's Palm Beach approach. They may have a better idea of where you're at. November 3 Lima Delta, did you copy the frequency 132.15?
No.
Number 3 Lima Delta, no problem. Just continue to stay wings level, maintain 5,000, and follow the coast, and we're going to try to find you here on the radar.
Okay, 10-4. You guys located me yet? I can't even get my nav screen to turn on. It has all the information on it. You guys got any ideas on that?
Number 3 Lima Delta, Palm Beach is, he's instructing me that you're about 20 miles east of Boca Raton. Just continue northbound over the beach and we'll try to get you some more further instructions. Continue to maintain 5,000 northbound over the beach.
So, I've got the coast in my headlights. I'm at 7280. Do I need to get lower?
Number 3 Lima Delta, you're at 7280 for your altitude?
Yeah, just sitting at
Number 3 Lima Delta, Roger. Just continue the slow descent until you get to 5,000 feet and just continue continue northbound over the beach and we'll get you further instructions to get you toward an airport.
So, go northbound over the beach?
Number 3 Lima Delta, do you have a cell phone with you?
Yes, we do.
Number 3 Lima Delta, if you have a cell phone number, give me the phone number and we're going to try to get you in contact with somebody that can help you. Number 3 Lima Delta, you still with me? Number 3 Lima Delta, say again? Number 3 Lima Delta, you still with me? Caravan 333 Lima Delta, Fort Pierce Tower.
I'm going off the nose. It looks like a little bit to the southwest.
Number 333 Lima Delta, having trouble hearing you. I heard you said something about southwest. Can you say again your cell phone number?
100%, yes. I have no idea how to stop the airplane. I don't know how to do it.
Whitecap 321, holding short 10 right, ready for departure.
Whitecap 321, Fort Pierce Tower, Roger, standby. Got some emergency situation going on. Number 333 Lima Delta, if you can hear me, I have a phone number for you. If you receive that, give that phone number a call on your cell phone if able. Caravan 333 Lima Delta, did you hear the transmission? November 333 Lima Delta, Fort Pierce Tower, can you hear me? Number 3 Lima Delta, did you hear the phone number I gave you? Sir, if you heard the phone number, if you could give that a call, they're going to get you in touch with somebody that can help you maneuver that plane. Number 3 Lima Delta, roger. Continue following the coast. Can you confirm that you got that phone number? Number 3 Lima Delta, roger. If you can, on your cell phone, give that phone number a call. They're going to get you in touch with somebody that can help you maneuver that plane. And number 3 Lima Delta, while you're making that call, just remain on this frequency, and we're going to continue to try to get you some more help. Is the pilot unconscious? Number 3 Lima Delta, can you tell me how many personnel are on the plane with you? Cat 311, you are number 1 at the runway?
We are number 2, right up 311.
Cat 321, number 1, were you doing pattern work?
Negative, we're going to Titusville for Cat 321.
Cat 321, left turn out, approved, runway 10, right clip takeoff.
Left turn approved, 10, right clear takeoff, Cat 321.
Number 3 Lima Delta, Palm Beach approach is going to talk to you. They're going to direct you to the Palm Beach airport. You should hear them on this frequency momentarily.